Hello and welcome to the Colombo Americano Flex English platform. In this platform, you will have all you need to study at home to comply with the online portion of your English course. Now, we'll take a tour of all the important links and resources this platform has for you. As you log in, you'll see three different columns: the left column, the central one, and the right column. On the left side, you will see navigation buttons or links to access quickly the participants, to get to know your classmates and your teacher, the course in which you are registered in, and all the units of this course. Then we have the central column. Here you will have access to all the information and content of your course, in this case Fundamental 1-2. As we go down, we'll see an important video of our director, Joel M. Simpson, welcoming you to the English Flex program, Colombo English Flex program. And a little below, just here, you will find another important video that will lead you through this platform, especially at the beginning, for you to see how the platform is designed and all the links it has for you to navigate the platform and study the information and the courses the teacher is telling you to do at home. Then, as we continue going down the page, we'll see these two links. Talk about yourself. You will get here to introduce yourself, to talk about a little bit about you, your names, nationality, likes and dislikes, and you will read about your classmates and your teacher. In this part, the teacher will announce important things, cancellation of classes, important events, things that the teacher considers is important. You can find it here. And right here, we'll have the units. In this case, Unit 1. As we go down, we'll see Unit 2. We are going to stay here, Unit 1. In Unit 1, you will see the contents and the activities, the objectives, the things that you are going to see and study here, and all the activities the teacher is going to tell you to do at home. Questions, quizzes, activities, videos. So you can explore this part with the help of your teacher. And finally, we have the right column. In this part, you see important information like announcements, upcoming events like quizzes, assignments, homework, the recent activity of the group, all your friends and the teacher. And all we have for you is best wishes that you can handle this platform, that you explore it to learn how to use it, and that you have a successful performing and learning process.